Hello YouTube! In this series I am going to design and build my own drawer system. In this video I will build main drawer module, speak shortly about its details, go through build process, installation and reveal total build costs. In previous video I built 3 modules from this drawer system. I have also discussed 4 main assumptions, spoke about weight of this system and went through build process and installation. In this video I will build main drawer system module that consists of table, 2 drawers and 2 frames for fridge and box. This next view is the most detailed one and presents all the single aluminum elements that this module consists of. And these are single parts that are light enough to assemble it all together in my G by one man. I know that most of you want fridge to be mounted as low as possible for better access, but this configuration worked for me great in previous builds and I don't mind standing on bumper to grab something from fridge. I like this look better and my drawers with load are going to be much more heavy than the fridge and box. I limited myself with talking in a minute and a half. Let's start building with table first. Okay, so I am going to make a stress test. So I am going to call it more than good enough. With drawers it is different story, they had to be accurate in all diagonals, so I created the XF file based on my SketchUp project and sent it to laser cut and CNC brake press. Frames for fridge and box are not that fun because there's not so much of welding, rather cutting and bolting it all together. I've also made handles. I stripped that blue rubber from slides and welded some steel pieces to the ends so that I can bolt C-channel, and now I can open or close one pair of slides with only one hand. Once I built gantry because I felt I needed one. It became a helpful tool, for example during my G rebuild process. I also have weight connected so I can check reality versus my design. Weight on display must be doubled because I'm using snatch block. Finally, I can disassemble test build and install this main module in G piece by piece, what takes around 1 hour from start to finish, and that is pretty reasonable time, regarding there are 32 bolts to mount slides. I'm super excited, it's almost done. These are my build costs. You can analyze it on your own. I have also included solar panels that are not yet mounted but kind of belong to the whole system. It took me 2 months to build it. It's been yet another great garage fabrication, and in next videos I will continue this overlanding build with more useful devices.